Listen.
Chubby Keith along with Doc and Andy, 826. We got the morning mind to try to get a winner here, and it turns out that 80% of women wait 1 month before letting their boyfriend see this. What is it?
Without any makeup.
Let them see it without makeup.
That's it.
That's correct. That's what it was.
Yeah, you could scare somebody away, right?
Great.
There was a woman that we used to work with that was dating a guy that we used to work with.
Morning.
The block, remember? I swore that she would wake up in the morning and her face had to be imprinted on the pillow because she wore so much makeup. And then I ran into her one day and I had no idea who she was. She had no makeup on. I did not even recognize her a little bit.
What did she look like? Was she still pretty? Because she was pretty with all that makeup and a lot of
She
makeup.
just looked like a normal person, but she didn't even, I mean, it was like not even related to each other. That's how different she looked. It was
She would
crazy.
never go out in the rain for that reason. I'm melting.
Luckily, my wife April's so beautiful, she doesn't need to do makeup.
There you go. Good answer.
Is she sitting right there?
She's sleeping, but...
Oh, okay. She'll hear this. Congratulations. We're going to send you guys to see WWE Monday Night Raw, March 25th at the Wells Fargo Center. Plus, you have passes to G.I. Joe Retaliation.
Oh, thank you. And she won't even wear makeup when she's there, so that'd be great. Dr. Andy, love your show.
Well, thank you very much. 628, we got Chilly Day on the way today. Going to be only about 42, so you'll